The iPhone SE has seen major popularity since its launch. The phone design was similar to the iPhone 5s but came with updated piece of hardware. Still, there are many users of iPhone SE because of its palm friendliness and good monetary value. I have always appreciated the classic 5s design with its overly rounded corners and its sturdy, not so delicate dimensions, while most smartphone manufacturers are making large screen phone which needs two hands to operate. Though both iOS and Android offer one-hand mode, but the phone itself may feel heavy to operate by a single hand. And that is the reason iPhone SE was appealing to the people who prefer smaller sized phones. Hey guys, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square. Apple phones come with an expensive price tag. The manufacturers like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Oppo, and Vivo dominates the mid-range market. All these companies offer mid-range lineup alongside flagship models. There are no iPhones in that segment, and that market is dominated by Android running devices. Apple felt that they should also have a phone in that segment as well, since more consumers belong there. Although the iPhone SE came with a few compromises, they also come with a lower price tag to match its tiny proportion. And just because they are an iOS phone, they are also very appealing to many. The original iPhone SE was released in 2016. After that, Apple took a long gap from releasing another SE phone, even though iPhone SE gained a lot of popularity and they are long overdue for another iteration of SE series. The launch date of the iPhone SE2 is not confirmed yet, but the current rumors suggest that we might receive an iPhone SE in the first quarter of 2020. The SE2 is likely to be a flagship alternative budget phone. Apple usually launches its phone in September, so it makes sense for Apple to release the budget-friendly SE2 model in its first quarter. As far as we know, the phone might have similar design concept as the iPhone 8. The second generation of iPhone SE will be compact with A13 Bionic chipset, 3GB of RAM, a 4.7-inch LCD display. iPhone 8 features home button and Touch ID, and we are expecting these features from SE Generation 2 as well. On the rear, the SE2 might feature dual cameras, which does not come at a lower price point, and high-quality display panels are not cheap as well. The expensive price of these hardware may increase the phone's price. Just like the previous one, Apple is expected to release the SE2 as a mid-range phone. So how much they're going to charge for the iPhone SE2 is gonna be very interesting. Another rumor suggests that the phone may come with iPhone X-like display design. A new screen protector has also been shown off by regular leaker Sony Dixon, which also shows off a notch at the top for a smaller phone with a smaller notch than the iPhone X. We have seen few rendered images of iPhone SE2, but those are not confirmed yet. The latest report suggests that Apple could use some of the iPhone 11's hardware for SE2. If the rumor is true, then we can expect flagship-like performance for the small-size phone. Another rumor pointed that the iPhone SE2 could be called iPhone 9. Apple released iPhone X skipping iPhone 9. However, this seems like one of those internet trolls. We are not very sure about the price of this phone. However, recently iPhone price leaks suggest that the price could be under $450, which seems realistic and will be perfect pricing for a mid-range phone. The original iPhone SE was sold at $400 in 2016 for the 16GB of variant. As you can see, there are a lot of rumors regarding the iPhone SE2. There are mixed rumors and confusion about the phone's design, price, and hardware. And we tried to cover everything we got to know so far. And since Apple has not released any information about the iPhone SE2 or its supposed launched event, the actual hardware, feature, and price could be different than what we covered. Anyways, that's all for today. Hit the like if you liked this video and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know what is your opinion about the rumored iPhone SE2. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.